Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. Thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen videos them. Please give me a thumbs up for the videos them when you guys watch my video them and you like them. Please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you will get it. So in Selvin Kitchen we're always doing something new. So today in Selvin Kitchen we have a delicious awesome recipe. So we're gonna do a pepper pot lamb. Guys, it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be delicious. So Selvin Kitchen, pepper pot lamb is coming up. Hi guys, this is all the season what we're going to use for the pepper pot lamb. We have 2 tablespoons of plain flour with a little bit of sprinkle of all-purpose season. We have 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper. We have 1 white onion. We have 1 stalk of spring onion. We have 1 scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to use a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. It's up to you guys if you want to use a lot of scotch bonnet pepper. It's up to you guys' tolerance. Some people don't eat pepper, so it's up to you guys' tolerance. Then we have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose season. We have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. We have half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We have a touch of black pepper. Over here we have 7 cloves of grated garlic. We have a piece of ginger we have already grated already. We have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. I mix up the oyster sauce and the soya sauce together. Over here, I already washed the lamb. So now I'm just going to cut up the lamb. So in Selvin Kitchen today, guys, we're going to do a pepper pot lamb served with rice. Alright guys, what we're going to do now, we're just going to slice up the lamb. So we're going to slice it quite thin, quite small, because lamb is very easy to cook. So lamb is not hard to cook like some other meat. So I'm going to slice it up. That's a thin little slice like that. I don't want to take off all of the fat, because I'm just going to put it in a pot to brown it off. I want that fat to give it that nice taste. I don't want it too dry. So in Selvin Kitchen, guys, we're going to cook pepper pot lamb. So thank you guys to watching Selvin video. Please give me a thumbs up for the video, and please share the video with your friends and family. Hit that notification so when Selvin posts a video you guys will get it. I have a lot more recipe coming out in Selvin Kitchen. So I'm just gonna slice them up thin like that. Get that out of the way. Oh, this lamb is, look at this, the color of this lamb. This lamb is quite beautiful. Slice up that one. So guys, I just cut up the lamb. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to season up the lamb. So I'm just going to add in the dry seasoning. I'm just going to add in the all-purpose season. Put all of it over it. Going to add in a little bit of the grated of ginger. Sprinkle that all over it. We're gonna add in the oyster sauce and the soya sauce. So I'm gonna give it a stir. You can smell that all-purpose season, that oyster sauce, the soya sauce, that ginger, that garlic. So I didn't put all of the ginger in this when I'm seasoning up it. I just put a little bit touch of ginger, a little touch of garlic. So now I'm just gonna leave that to marinate for around half an hour. So guys, the lamb had been marinated for the last half an hour. So now I'm just gonna put some oil in the pot. I just put on the pot on the fire. I don't turn up the stove too hot. Put it on a medium heat. Just give this lamb another mix. So you want to get in all of that season. Guys, so right now we're just going to put it in the pot. So when this lamb be brown off a bit around, give it around 10 minutes, and after I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put in the bell pepper and the onion and the garlic and the ginger. So the lamb is changing color already, people. My God, you can smell that season kicking out of it. Beautiful. Yes, people, it's on the fire for the last 2 minutes. Give it another stir. So you want to get everything to cook evenly. Yes guys, this is cooking for the last 8 minutes. So now I'm just going to take it off now, because lamb is very easy to cook. Lamb is not hard to cook. And now I'm just going to use this because I don't want the juice in. I'm just going to skim it out. Put it in this dish, and then after I'm just going to put in the bell pepper and the onion. I want to get all of this out. And that people, I can smell that lamb already. That lamb is ready to eat. Let's get all of that lamb out. I have my rice over there cooking. So let's get all of this lamb out of it. So I just took out the lamb, guys. I'm going to put in the bell pepper, the garlic, the ginger, the onion. So let's get out the. Want to get all of that garlic out. The ginger. That onion. Spring onion. That bell pepper. Gonna add a little bit more all-purpose seasoning to it with the garlic powder and the black pepper. Just a little touch of it. Got a nice stir. So meanwhile that is cooking, guys, I'm just gonna mix up the flour. So having my bell pepper, my onion, my garlic and everything is cooking. So I don't want to cook too much before putting the lamb. So right now what I'm gonna do is just gonna add a little water to the flour. So you can use corn flour if you want, or cornstarch. I'm using plain flour. Gonna whisk that up. Gonna add a tablespoon of honey. Yes, people, it's cooking for the last 2 minutes. So I'm not gonna add in back my lamb. A nice stove, people. Mix up that everything like that. Oh my days, look at that beautiful color there. And I'm gonna add in my flour, all of it, people. So I'm gonna put on the lid on that and give it around 5 minutes. So guys, that's been cooking for the last 2 minutes. Now we're gonna squeeze a piece of lime in it. Because we're gonna put in half a lime. Optional, if you want to use lemon, if you have the lemon, you can use the lemon instead of the lime. If you cannot get the lime. So I'm gonna give this 2 more minutes, people, and this is ready to go. I just changed my pot because the first pot is a little bit too small. So I just change it and use this bigger pot. Look at that, people. The lamb is all finished. Over there, just turn off the fire. Have my rice over there. Put a bit of spring onion in it, a bit of thyme. Broccoli there steaming. Hi guys, this is all finished. This is lamb pepper pot. Look at that, people, serve it white rice with broccoli. And the people, that looks so beautiful and delicious already. Oh my god, I can't wait to have some of this. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Please share the video with your friends and family, and your WhatsApp status, and your YouTube, everything like that. So please share the video and please give me a thumbs up for the video. And Selvin Kitchen, I will see you guys in the next video. Please take care. Peace.